Well, welcome back to Channel Run. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly patch a hole in a tire. This has been going down for about a week or so, and I'm getting kind of tired of adding air to it. So the right thing to do would be to go ahead and patch it. So I'm going to show you real quickly on how to do that. Let's get started. Okay, on some of these you can do them while they're right on the vehicle. If you can feel it where it's coming out, or if you can see the hole from a nail or whatnot, you can do it while it's right on the vehicle. I've already looked. I really can't see where it's coming from, so I'm going to have to remove it from the vehicle and check it that way. Okay, I'm not really seeing any kind of a hole or a nail or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it up to the right PSI and then check it again, see if I can see anything visually. And then I'm just going to take some glass cleaner or something like that and start spraying around there and see if I can find out what's going on. I'll try around the valve stem first. Go ahead and check the rim itself. It should start to bubble up. Okay, there's my hole right there. Just a little tiny one. Okay, so now we found it. That was a tough one. Okay, you don't have to do this, but I want to take some of the air out a little bit. I don't know why. You don't have to, but I just feel a little bit safer by taking a little bit of the air pressure out, because you're actually going to be driving the probe down through there. I've seen people do it either way. Take all the air out, fix the flat, put the air back in. I've seen some people do just what I'm doing, taking some of the air out just to take a little pressure off. And then I've seen some people just go ahead and plug it while they had full pressure. But I'm going to just take a little of the pressure out. Okay, now you're probably going to have a little kit, and then that kit's going to be like this little reamer. So you want to take that and you want to drive that right down in there, and you're going to clean that out. Like that. Just then pull it straight out, and it kind of cleans it out and reams it out so you can get your plug in. Then go ahead and take your plug and put it on the tool, and you're going to thread that in like this. They're a little sticky. Yes. And you're going to push that down in. And you're going to pull it back out, and just go ahead. I usually cut the excess off. You don't have to. Go ahead. There it is. Put some air pressure back in. Let's go ahead and check it. And there it is, sealed right up. Okay, that's all there was to it. It took me a little bit longer on this one because, as you can see, that was a small hole, and I had to keep spraying all around. I was checking the valve stem, I was checking the bead on either side, but I finally had found it. Usually it doesn't take quite that long, but once you've done it, put the plug in and you're good to go. Now keep in mind, you're not supposed to use those on the sidewall, so you can use them up here, but you can't use them on the sidewall. So, well, I hope it helps you with your tire going flat slowly, and we'll see you on the next one.